BHEL stock is having a big year. It is up 50% in 2026 alone. And a lot of that story traces back to what the company can actually build. It is an ultra-high voltage equipment that only a handful of manufacturers on earth know how to make. And you know what? You know what to make is make us proud by liking, sharing and subscribing. Truly motivates us here on Front Page. Thank you as always for your kind support. Now, at the center of this innovation from BHEL is India's first indigenous 1200 kilovolt ultra high voltage alternating current transformer. Wow, that's a mouthful. It is designed, manufactured and type tested entirely through BHEL's in-house research and development. Now, the machine has a single-phase auto transformer rated at 333 megavolt amperes with a voltage rating of 1150 by 400 by 33 kilovolt. It's also the largest single piece of equipment used in a substation. Now, BHEL says it took 2 years of intensive in-house research to get there. This kind of ultra high voltage or UHV technology is available from only a handful of manufacturers worldwide, and it's very closely guarded. So, BHEL had to develop every part of it from scratch at a purpose-built controlled environment transformer facility in Bhopal. Now, the project was carried out under an MOU between BHEL and Power Grid, and the transformer is headed to Bina in Madhya Pradesh for India's first experimental national test station. BHEL says this puts India among a select group of countries that possess this technology and marks a real step toward self-reliance. Now, pushing beyond India's current ceiling of 765 kilovolt toward a future of 1200 kilovolt national grid. Although this isn't BHEL's only high voltage credential, by the way, the company has already tested and dispatched India's first indigenously developed 500 megavolt amperes 765 kilovolt transformer for a power grid project in Western India. It also built and installed a 1200 kilovolt 180 megavolt amperes transformer that serves as the testing unit inside its own UHV test laboratory in Bhopal. Now, put together, that's actually 3 separate high voltage firsts out of one company's in-house research and development pipeline. Now, BHEL builds transformers, shunt reactors, instrument transformers, capacitors, extra high voltage circuit breakers and medium voltage switchgear. Now, combined, that's actually 45,000 megavolt amperes of annual transformer and reactor manufacturing capacity, especially for large extra high voltage direct current and ultra high voltage alternating current transformers and reactors. And the market, well, has been paying definite attention. BHEL shares were trading around 436.75 rupees on Friday, down a modest 0.3% on the day. But that happened after a run that's taken the stock up 50% since the start of 2026. And here, of course, is the front page take. Now, one ultra high voltage transformer is a technical achievement. 3 of them, plus a dedicated UHV test lab and 45,000 megavolt amperes of manufacturing muscle, well, that pretty much starts to look like a company investors are willing to bet on. It is positioned for India's next grid upgrade. The stock's 50% run suggests the market thinks that gap is closing. But turning capability into commercial rollout, BHEL is yet to prove that. So then, well, that brings me to this question. Is BHEL's rally a bet on ultra-high voltage transmission actually scaling up in India soon, or just an execution catching up with the technology it's already built? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.